Guys, welcome back to my channel and good morning again. And good morning with the snowstorm here. And it said that is one of the biggest snowstorm in several years. So yes guys, it's really bad, and the schools are closed, everything is closed. It has become so hard to remove snow from the cars. So yes, and it's morning, so I'm sure it will still go on until afternoon. So we have to keep shoveling the snow again and again, that's why it will be very difficult for us to remove the snow. So yes. See guys, we just cleaned, removed all the snow, and it started again. So look at this, ये दोबारा स्टार्ट हो गई है. हमने इतनी मुश्किल से स्नो को सारा रिमूव किया था, शवल किया था, और दोबारा स्टार्ट हो गई है. ये देखो गॉड, ये तो यहाँ हमने सॉल्ट डाला था, सो इट्स मेल्टेड हियर. लुक एट दिस. वॉकवेज भी देखो, हमने सॉल्ट डाला था लेकिन अगेन हो गई है. लुक एट दिस, द अमाउंट ऑफ स्नो वी रिमूव्ड एंड made a big mountain kind of thing. again we'll have to remove it. थक जाएंगे shovel कर करके, you know, again and again and again. Yeah, cars are clean right now. Let's see. I know it's really boring, like, you know, showing snow again and again, but I just like, you know, show to you know, people who are interested to come to Canada, and they should know that, you know, it's not easy. Be prepared for like a lot of hard work here, because it has severe weather conditions. And look at this, if you can see the roads, even these are not cleaned. Normally, you know, snow plows aate hain, trucks aate hain clean karne ke liye, par abhi tak nahi hai because aur hongi. So yes guys, don't be afraid of this, you know, we get used to it. And winters ऐसी ही होती है यहाँ पे. Be strong, you know, you know you have to work hard, means you have to work hard, that's it, you know. No shortcut to that. So yes, this is how it is. Jabardast snowstorm hai, and it's a severe winter storm जिसको बोलते हैं. Severe winter storm है ये, कोई छोटा मोटा winter storm नहीं है, severe winter storm है ये. So guys, with this, hope you liked my video. And yes, I'm actually tired of shoveling. So yes, hope you like this video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe and comment, and take care of yourself, stay safe, and have a blessed day guys. Bye bye.